Hello everyone, this is Eric Redjet 505. Let me show you how I put on some guy today felony charges. So I'm selling the CNC machine and someone asked me if I can actually make parts for him. This guy, his name is Kyle Ramos, okay? And then I saw that he need like RC parts, and this guy don't know that I'm a gun guy. And then he sent this. He sent a lower AR-15 that have on it the option for fully automatic. Okay, this is what this guy want. And I told him that this is illegal to do any way possible. And of course, what he was saying, that he just needed to be lightweight. And I told him that it's a felony and you cannot do that, and I'm gonna report it. And the guy asked me first what's wrong, and when I told him, he said that lame-o, you are crazy, bro. And then he asked me if I am gay, because I'm telling him no, and he need to Google it to understand that what he's doing is a felony, asking someone else to manufacture a weapon for him. Then he's trying to claim that what he need is actually for competition, and he's trying to give excuses. So let me explain to people, if you're in California, and I think right now it's in any other state, if you're trying to get yourself a lower, it's need to have a serial number. If you're gonna go and ask people to CNC or 3D print or anything like that for you, and you're in California, this is felony, and it's not going to be just felony. They're going to put on you felony, misdemeanor. They're going to put a lot of other charges for soliciting, anything else that they can just put on you. So this guy thought that he's going to be a smart ass, and then he start cursing me when I told him no, that it's illegal. Now, the problem is that, I will just go on my day if I will tell them this is illegal, and this guy, Kyle Ramos, will just go away. But no, Mr. Kyle Ramos start cursing me over there, and I think when the FBI and ATF gonna come right now and knock on his door for this specific configuration that you want over here, I'm sure you're gonna get some jail time for this. And let me explain to you what is this piece that you're actually even looking at. It's look like it's not a gun. This is a lower, okay, it's a lower receiver. That what they did is your trigger gonna be from the outside, okay? So you're gonna have the trigger stand from right here, and you're gonna have your entire butt stop and everything, and rifle hook up here from the front. And then this is gonna be where you're gonna have like your butt stop spring go back, okay? And this will have like the ability to be a very lightweight assault weapon. And I'm against the entire idea of assault weapon call. I think that if you can get it legally, you should have the rights to get it. But this guy is trying to trick someone to make it for him. And when you tell him no and he start cursing, I say, okay, this guy to start is a criminal. This guy need to be in jail. I'm sending his information right now to the FBI and the ATF. Again, a nice way was, I'm sorry, go away, and that's it. No, this guy was needed to insist that I will make it for him and start cursing me and saying that I'm gay. I told him, ask your mother if I'm gay after I visited her last night, just to go a little bit on his nerve. But it seems to be that the young people, whenever someone tells them no, they call them gay. Those people, same people that tell you not to call gay people. Very funny for me, actually. So please pay attention what you're asking for people to do for you. If you ask someone to break the law and lose their livelihood so you can have something that you can go and commit a crime with, be careful that they're not going to report you to the police. And you know, I am a gun collector, I am a CCW and FFL, and I'm the last person in the world that this idiot should have addressed and asked me to manufacture something like this for him. And you know, I'm gonna do a follow-up video showing you what's gonna happen to this guy. You know, obviously he's a criminal, and the fact that he won this, he need to use it somewhere that we don't want to know even what the result's gonna be. So, you know, if you're trying to get people to commit a crime for you, make sure those people are not honest people, and we'll make sure that you're never going to do it again. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and share. And sorry for the bad video, just I'm doing it on a computer screen. There's kind of a problem to record it from the phone itself, and I want it to be like a good quality video. Please write a comment below what you think about it. You know, it's not about just what the law is stating, it's about people's behavior. Even if it was legal to make it, the way the guy was behaving, nobody will ever make it for him. See you, bye.